All right, this is a tutorial on how to access the CK-12 in which a majority of your assignments will be on. So let's say you have this assignment and you will see right here it says CK-12. So it's going to open up a new page and you're going to click your Irving ISD email account. It's going to ask you these things. Go on ahead and click allow. Then it will open you up to CK-12. And then that's it. Start practicing, complete assignment, and you'll be good. You can pause, so you can stop for now. Let's say you have to go do something, okay? It will keep it there. Then you can keep practicing later on, right? You just go back to the assignment and keep going. Once you have reached 10 out of 10, so let's say, for example, I get this one. I'm just clicking something random, so I don't know the answer. You can try again. I hope. No. It'll give you the full step-by-step solution, so it'll walk you through on how to do it and what the answer was, okay? It will give you another one exactly like it until you get it right. So you see how we're still at 0 out of 10, okay? What matters is that you eventually get 10 questions correct. So right here, your answer would be 31. And then 1 out of 10. Okay? So if I type in the wrong answer, you're still going to stay at 1 out of 10. So once you get 10 out of 10, you're done. You can stop it. And then you can turn it in. Once you turn it in, the grade you get is what's going to go in Google Classroom. So make sure you keep practicing until you see a 100%. That is what we will be looking for as your teacher. But if you decide to turn that in, you will obviously not get credit. So make sure you turn in the right grade.